Let's break down high-strength concrete, what it is, and when you need it. Here's what you need to know. High-strength concrete for 10,000 plus PSI handles heavy loads and harsh conditions. Learn what makes it different, when to specify it, and typical costs. Quick answer: high-strength concrete ranges from 4,000 to 10,000 plus PSI and costs 15 to 30% more than standard 3,000 to 4,000 PSI concrete. It's necessary for heavy traffic, harsh climates, and industrial applications, but often unnecessary for typical residential driveways. Always verify your actual load and environmental requirements before specifying. High-strength concrete is not a single product. It's a category of engineered mixes designed to exceed high-strength concrete, often reaching 5,000 to 10,000 PSI or higher. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company serves homeowners and property managers across North Carolina who need to understand when high-strength concrete is worth the investment and when standard concrete is sufficient. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide explains what makes concrete high strength, what projects demand it, how much it costs, and how to specify it correctly. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, serving Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triangle, Triad, and Lake Norman areas with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews. The company specializes in standard and high-strength concrete applications, from residential driveways to industrial slabs requiring 5,000 PSI or higher. High-strength concrete mixes use lower water-cement ratios, supplementary cementitious materials like fly ash, and careful aggregate selection to exceed high-strength concrete, often reaching 6,000 to 10,000 PSI in engineered projects. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion basis. Homeowners and property managers pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. High-strength projects typically cost 15 to 30% more than standard concrete, but deliver decades longer service life in demanding applications. Moving on to what is high-strength concrete. High-strength concrete is a compressive strength rating of high-strength concrete, pounds per square inch, or higher, often reaching 5,000, 10,000 plus PSI depending on the application and mix design. By contrast, standard concrete for residential driveways and patios is typically 3,000 to 4,000 PSI. The difference lies in how the concrete is mixed, cured, and tested. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, high-strength concrete is achieved by reducing the water-cement ratio, typically to 0. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.